Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to create or update MailerLite subscribers from Google Ads. So I'm running Google Ads for my business and now manually adding all the leads received to my email marketing tool is a very time consuming task. So now I plan to automate this entire process. So now here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my Google Ads, then automatically using the lead details, that lead is going to add as a new subscriber in my MailerLite account. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my Google Ads with my MailerLite account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run online ads for my business and I use Google Ads to attract new leads. So when someone interacts with my ads and shows interest, I want to make sure they are added to my email list in MailerLite so I can follow up with them consistently. So by automatically creating or updating MailerLite subscribers from Google Ads, I can easily keep my email list up to date with people who are genuinely interested. This saves me time and ensures that I'm reaching out to the right people with newsletters, offers, and updates, increasing the chances of turning leads into loyal customers. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my Google Ads with my MailerLite account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create or update MailerLite subscriber from Google Ads. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and by clicking on it, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow and here on my screen, you can see the two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Ads because I'm receiving new leads through Google Ads. So Google Ads is an online advertising platform where businesses can create ads that appear on Google search results and other websites. People use Google Ads to promote their products or services because it helps them reach potential customers right when they are searching for something similar. You can set your own budget, target specific audience and only pay when someone clicks on your ad. It's a popular way for businesses to drive traffic, generate leads and increase sales. So here in my Google Ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead form entry. So that whenever we are going to receive new lead form entry through Google Ads, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here after selecting my trigger event, you can see I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Google Ads account. So this is the test campaign which I've created, and now from here I'm going to create a new test lead form over here. So I'm going to click on this lead forms button given over here, and then here it is asking me to enter some details. So here for the business name I'm going to enter the name as ABC Company. So here I'm generating a test form over here, and for the questions I'm going to select the questions such as name. For the name I'm going to select first name, last name, phone number, email, and you can select some other fields such as city also. And now here, after selecting my fields, I'm going to scroll it little down, and here these fields are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave them blank, scrolling little down. And now here, after selecting the fields for our form, you can see we have received the option for lead delivery over here. So I'm going to select it, and here under lead delivery option you can see we have received the option for webhook integration. So here you can see it is asking us to enter the webhook URL. So here I need to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is my webhook URL, and now here, after entering the webhook URL, here it is asking me to enter the key. So I'm going to give a name to my key such as test key over here. And now here, after entering the webhook URL and giving the name to my key, I'm going to click on the send test data over here. So by clicking on this particular option, I'm going to receive a test response for this Google ad in my Pabbly's workflow. So I'm going to click on it. And here you can see it says test data sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the city. Here you can see the email. Here you can see the phone number, last name as last name, and first name as first name only. And also you can see we have received some other details as well. So here we have received a test response over here because here I've created a test campaign in my Google Ads, and also I've created a test lead form in my Google Ads. So if you're running a live Google ad, then you will receive this response accordingly. So here we are going to use this test response to set up this entire automation, and with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So now once we have received a new lead through our Google Ads, I want to add the lead received to my MailerLite as a new subscriber. So for that, here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as MailerLite. So MailerLite is an email marketing tool that helps you create and send professional looking email campaigns, and it's easy to use and comes with features like drag and drop email design, automation, and subscriber management. People use MailerLite because it simplifies the process of reaching out to customers with engaging newsletters and promotional emails. It's perfect for businesses looking to grow their email list and improve their marketing efforts without needing advanced technical skills. So here in my MailerLite action step, I'm going to select my action event as create or update subscriber, so that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead form entry through my Google Ads, then automatically that lead should be added as a subscriber in my MailerLite account. And now here to connect my MailerLite with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your MailerLite account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the token. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my MailerLite account, and from here I'm going to click on this integration options given in the left side bar. And here under integrations, you can see we have received the option for API over here. So I'm going to click on this use button. And now here under this developer API, I'm going to generate a new API token by clicking on this generate new token button given over here. And here for the token name, I'm going to enter the name as new subscriber, and then I'm going to tick on this checkbox, and then I'm going to create a token over here. So this is the API token, so here I'm going to copy it, moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the token received. Now here, after entering the API token, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and now here it is asking me for the subscriber email. So here we are going to create a new subscriber in the MailerLite. So for that, I'm going to map this particular subscribe email over here. So here to map the subscriber email, I'm going to turn on this map button over here, and then I'm going to remove this previously existing email from here. So here mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through Google Ads, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to search for my subscriber's email. So this is my lead's email. So here I'm going to map it. Moving forward, Here for the status, I'm going to select the status as active, and here this group says not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. And here for the name, I'm going to search for my lead's first name. So this is my lead's first name, so here I'm going to map it. And here for the last name, I'm going to search for the last name. So this is my lead's last name, so here I'm going to map it. Moving forward, here this company, country are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. Here for the city, I'm going to search for the city. So this is my lead's city, so here I'm going to map it. And here for the phone number, I'm going to search for the phone number. So this is my lead's phone number. So here I'm going to map it. Moving forward, here this state and zip is not required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new subscriber in our MailerLite account for the new lead received. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to click on the subscribers option. Here I'm going to scroll it little down, and here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber with the email as test@example.com. And here you can see some other details as well, such as first name, last name, city, and the phone number. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Google Ads and our action as MailerLite. So that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Google Ads, then automatically that lead is going to add as a subscriber in our MailerLite account. Okay, so these were the steps to how to create or update MailerLite subscribers from Google Ads. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.